Oh, we've got another amazing car today, a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am in my favorite color, Lucerne Blue. This is a Pontiac Historical documented car. It is numbers matching front to back, frame off restored. The underside is the same glossy blue, same owner the last 25 years. This is a really nice 1970 Trans Am. Go to volocars.com. Take your time and look at over 100 pictures top to bottom. Read the information. And that's also where you will find a price tag on every car along with a monthly finance payment on every car we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the Trans Am is all new, designed for 1970, has a little European styling, a long front end, a low, sleek back end, spoilers, air extractors, the flares by the fenders, a functional hood scoop, got a lot of cool stuff going on. They made, I don't have the numbers exactly in my head, but they made like 32 or 3,400 Trans Ams total out of the 49,000 Firebirds built. The automatic transmission was an option. They came standard with a 4-speed. This has the optional automatic, which takes it down to about 1,300 were made with automatic. And out of those, only a third of them were blue. So this is a rare and very desirable car. Underneath, looks like new. All the suspension, the frame, everything was removed from the bottom of the car. It's all pristine, clean metal, prepped and painted the same gloss, clear-coated blue. It's beautiful. The fuel system's replaced. The tank is shiny. The lines are replaced, the sending unit. Brakes were all restored. Disc brakes in front, e-brake cables hooked up, the brake lines, hoses, all that looks fresh. Does have a dual exhaust system. Sounds good. You'll hear it towards the end. It has Flowmaster mufflers. It has the correct polished slash-cut tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor. It is clean. The transmission is the original VIN number match turbo 400 automatic. Also has the tag on the side with the 1970 date on it. Has its original 331 or 336 safety track. That's what Pontiac calls their posi. Rear end in it. Steering and suspensions all rebuilt. All the front end components, it's all done in gloss black. Bushings, ball joints, you name it, shocks, all redone. Front and back. Has a front and back sway bar. So underneath the car is beautiful. The body is amazing as well. I already went around it and it's really nice. This is absolutely straight. This can be a problem area. Not on this one. It's all straight, clean, laser beam straight, all the way to the bottom. There's no rust, no damage. Spoiler fits real nice. No issues with the body. Absolutely straight, no issues. All clean all the way down. All nice, clean metal. No rust bubbles down here along the bottom at all. No bumps, no bodywork showing. It's all mint. No door dings along that crease there. Hood is excellent. Fenders are excellent. The rubber bumper fits really well. It's a very nice bumper. It has one hairline crack about that long. Half inch to a 3/4 inch long. One little hair right there, and that's it. Otherwise, the bumper is excellent. Again, this is straight, clean body. Metal is excellent. It is repainted its original Lucerne Blue color. It's gorgeous. The metal flake, the paint is laid out evenly. It's all one color. Polished smooth like glass. Now there are a few minor imperfections. 2 tiny nicks right here that are touched up. There's a chip right here, a little bigger, that's been touched up. Couple imperfections in the paint up here, like a couple little tiny like pimples. Yeah, I have to actually look for them. So a few minor imperfections, but overall, paint is stunning. These are decal stripes. They're the correct stripes. If you got the white car, you got blue stripes. The blue car, you got white stripes. But they're put on real nicely. The emblems, the bumper, tail lights, they're all sparkling. They look new. Now, I was saying how slick the paint is. I don't know what they put on here, but it even feels slick, like Teflon. I know there was a couple more chips. I want to make sure I point out. Here's a touch-up right here. So a couple minor nicks. All the trim, all the stainless, all the trim. I think this trim, the rain gutter, is optional, I think, but this is all restored or replaced. The door handle looks like it's replaced. And guess what? All the glass, all new. I rolled up the windows to make sure they're crystal clear glass. The jambs are painted as nice as the car. All the weather strips and seals, window seals are replaced. The headlight bezels, the grille, all of this is excellent. Down here, the marker, turn signal lights. Now these have the shaker hood. These are functional. It has a little air flap. That air actually hits the windshield and is thrown in that way. 15-inch Rallye 2 wheels. They're all painted and restored. They have the correct Pontiac lug nuts and center caps. They're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. So there you have it. Really nice show quality car. Let's give you a tour of the inside. You know what else is different about the 1970 design? It's lower, and you can sense that just standing next to it. You got to bend down to open the trunk. Nice, low, sleek sports car design. But look under the jam. The trunk has a hard time staying open. The spring must not be right or adjusted right. But painted slick. They replaced the decal, the weather strip, the screws, the hardware. It's all beautiful. Trunk compartment under the mat, it's all clean metal. It was sprayed, spatter painted, and then clear coated, so it's nice and durable. Got a new mat, matching tire cover. Beautiful trunk. Yeah, it's had a lot of European influence on the design. I say it's a European sports car meets American muscle. The door jambs are slick, weather strips, sill plates are replaced. Everything inside the car. It's a deluxe interior. It all looks new. The door panels, the armrests, the window cranks, the handles, all are sparkling. The dash area is sparkling. These bezels, the machine turn trim, which was unique on the Trans Am, 160 mile an hour speedometer. It's got a tachometer. Dash pad is mint. Correct lighter. All this is in real nice shape. Nice glove box. Factory AM FM radio. It does work. It doesn't. Well, now it's not turning at all. But I had music playing and it was turning. 8-track player. Console's mint. The bezel's replaced. You got the clips for the seat belts. One of my favorite steering wheels, the Formula wheel, and that's replaced. New blue carpet, floor mats. Interior lights work. Feels like the cushions are rebuilt. The upholstery is replaced. The back seats all redone. Side plastic, the trim, all that's great. The rear shelf looks new. Headliner's replaced. It has all the seat belts, including the shoulder belts. Dome light works. Visors are redone. Mirror looks new. It's a beautiful interior. That's funny. That radio was working just a minute ago for me. Now the dial's not turning. We do buy finished cars like what you see here, and they do go through our shop. We did spend about $2,200 fixing things like reverse lights and the blower motor, and I don't have the list in front of me, but it's on our website. So this is the VIN number matching original 1970 Ram Air 3 400 motor. They put out 345 horsepower. Very correct. The manual, not manual, but the heat choke and the vent tube, correct valve covers are re-chromed, correct number 12 heads. They're dated for this car. Correct Ram Air exhaust manifolds. I'm going to check the carburetor. I forgot to do that. You can see everything is painted beautifully and clean and smooth and detailed. We put a new alternator on it, proper shroud and clutch fan. It's got power steering with new hoses. See the heat tube. Power brake system all looks new. Wiper motor looks new. Looks like the squirters are hooked up. It has hood insulation. It was very complete, proper, the way it's supposed to be. Show quality. I'm liking this one. It's got a nice sound. The little flapper door on the air scoop is working. It's a little lazy. It's not flapping wide open, but it's definitely opening when I give it the gas. Mystery solved. This must be a modern, looks like the original radio was rebuilt with modern guts. You have to have it turned on for the dial to work. I just turned it on because it was bugging me, and it does work. I noticed the vent handles are new. The little buttons for the interior lights are new. Glass, I mean, the wiper arms are shiny. This is a killer car. I went online just a little bit ago. All of them are over $100,000 except for one that doesn't look nearly as nice as this. This one's under $100,000. It's blue. It's one of the nicest I've seen in a long time. Go to volocars.com. This is an investment grade type of car. Talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help get this delivered. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you're given a notification when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.